Chinese community had long been an integral part of Davao City's growth and development. From a few Chinese settlers during the Spanish period, their numbers grew under American rule. Many of these migrants came from places such as Bato and Zamboanga, while others arrived from Fujian, China. Many settled along the port of Davao and Santa Ana. After World War II, the Chinese community in Davao
Ulit na naman si Pangatito mga bayan namin. Si Pangatito. Hindi siya hintado. Dito pa naman sa Bukana ko. Ano kaya ito nararamdaman sa Pangatito?
These areas are known for the many Chinese-owned business establishments like shops, hardwares, department stores, and restaurants. There are also temples and schools that serve the community. By the early 2000s, the Filipino Chinese community lobbied for the establishment of a Davao City Chinatown, recognizing their significant historical, cultural, and economic contribution to the city. Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte in 2003 signed an executive order designating a 44-hectare area as the Davao City Chinatown, located in Barangay 27-C and 30-C, the largest Chinatown in the country in terms of land area. The Davao Chinatown Development Council was also created. This council helps in the coordination and implementation of policies, programs, projects, and activities in the Chinatown area.
To officially welcome us to this celebration, it is an honor to introduce a leader who continues to champion the growth, unity, and international partnerships of our beloved city. As we gather tonight at the new Davao River Bridge, a landmark that reflects his administration's commitment to progress and the strengthening of our global ties.
Honorable Deputy Faisal bin Ahmed Saleh, Councilor General of Police, 21st Davao City Councilors, Deputy Mayors, Attorney Francis Marcayo, Davao City Administrator, Davao City Department Heads, Davao City Chinatown Development Council, President Council of Davao City, Security Clusters, Davao Government Workers,
Kaway-kaway!
May gabi sa inyong tanan. Consul General of the People's Republic of China in Davao City, 2010, the Davao City Philippine Chinese community, along with important members of the academy, representatives of the private sector, and guests. If you do not know, ikaw pa mo, ganitong panahon, we have been trading with China pre-colonial Philippines. So sa ganitong panahon, diya sa Zamboanga, naanay trading with China, ang mga sirahan na tribo, diya, mga tauso, mga kasagaran diya sa Zamboanga. Naanat tayo exchanges, culture, exchanges of whatever tanan of people. But, ano to karon na agya ko? But you never see the Chinese people attempt to colonize ang Pilipinas. And I'm sure it will stay the same way until karon and for years to come. So, kanimang kong narrative that is being pushed, I do not know by who, but I do not want to specifically point out the names of people. Here in the government, I hate to see the current ambassador, having to deal with behavior that is unfriendly towards a loving neighbor and a peaceful neighbor towards the Philippines. So I hope my wishes would be calm down and we would talk in a peaceful ways, or in a peaceful manner, communicate in a peaceful manner. Because there is no only way for us to move forward, but to promote mutual benefit from both sides. Tonight we celebrate not only the New Year, but the long-standing relationship between Davao City and China. For tonight, we're also launching the Davao City Chinatown Coffee Table book, which chronicles the journey of the first Chinese families in Davao City and showcases the deep-rooted history of our Chinese communities. And as we stand on Bukana Bridge tonight, kining tulay nga atong pinagtungtungan karon ginagamit ginaagian, gihatag ni sa suwa sa sina na libre wa tay gigasto mo. Nato timanon.
Yun mga kabayan na. Hindi po yan galing sa bigyan
As far as I can remember, it's a gift to former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte during his term. Regalo ni sa China siyang birthday ko, no, that is how they packaged it, but ultimately it is for the Davaoeños. So, swerte ka na tagaan ta, pinanggan na pasalamaton ta, and we have to remember that China is a friend. They are neighbors. Dili na ito gusto silingan na kaaway nimo. Kaya silingan doon kayo na sa imo. Kamu, ganahan ba mo nga inyo silingan, kalapan ninyo, pagkawas ninyo, magtitibagay mo, sige mo away, o nang di na ito gusto. And in fact, we benefit from China in terms of our economy. Daga mga barato, mga palitonon, gana yung mga cellphone nga gina-picture diya sa kuha. Kung dili na may China, ang pagkumasa. So, kailangan lang makasabot na China has grown exponentially in the past 20 years. And I am sure that they are willing to share this growth and prosperity with the Philippines for years to come. So, mas maayo, mas daghan tag-amigo, mas daghan tag-away. O na importante kayo para natong tanan. Nalipay ko, well, there is a Davao, as assimilated naman yun ng Chinese, yung mga dabawin yung
Please direct your attention to our LED video wall. And let's count down together from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Grabe! Namana talaga sa kanyang tatay, guys! Solid! Solid! Grabe! Tatay ni Go!
Mayor Baste, maraming salamat po. Council General, please remain on stage. And at this point, ladies and gentlemen, to our city officials, you may now take your seats.